Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply this light effect to your videos to basically upgrade it. So you're just going to select the effects tab here, then go to video effects, and then if you can't find it you can search scan, but I'm just going to scroll until I find the light effect, which is right here. Select it, and you're just going to select either flood scanning or color scanning. This is a pro feature though, I'm just gonna tell you that right now. You can select adjust here, and you can adjust the size, the glow, the atmosphere, and even the color of like the glow here. Just slide it on, and once you're done with the look, you can also scroll down here. There's also others like blur intensity. Once you're done, just hit that check mark button. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.